Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to retrieve and display the recent chats. So for that we will go to our recent chat start file, and first of all we will define an instance of our user model class. We will give it name as from user data. Then we need a stream controller, as when the new message arrives we have to display that at the very second, that new message, okay, in the recent chats. Query snapshot dot broadcast. Stream subscription, and it will be stream subscription chats. Here we can implement our chat listener, and to our stream recent chats we will assign the query. You know that inside the database we have the main collection for recent chats, which is by the name chats. So we can say chats and then dot document from user ID, that is from user data dot user ID, which is UID. And then in here we have a sub collection where basically that last chat is there, okay, that is which is by the name last message. Simply get that. So we can say dot snapshots. When we say dot snapshots, that is using this query, it will basically real-time refresh. That is, whenever a new recent chat is available, whenever you receive a new message, it will be available in the recent chats. You will automatically at the very second you will see that. So you can see that this will basically refresh it at real time. Then to our stream subscription chats, we will assign our stream recent chats, and we will listen. We will listen if any new chat or new message, you can say, if any new messages arrive, just display it in the recent chat. So we can say stream controller dot add new message data. This will be an event. If any new event occur, just add that to our stream controller. Then after the chat listener we have to implement, that is to load the initial data. So we can say load so the initial data will be let's initialize an instance of our Firebase user, current Firebase user, and we are going to get the current user Firebase auth dot instance dot current user. First we will check if current Firebase user not equals to null. we get first the current Firebase user ID, then the current Firebase user display name, then email, and then password. As password is secure, we do not want the user to have access to it, so we will just assign an empty string to it. Okay, password is already managed by our authentication. Then we get the profile picture, and you already know that if the value is available, then assign that photo URL to this. Otherwise, if there is some problem, then assign the empty string to this. Okay, similarly for the email and name, as you know that we have to assign it to our from user using our model class now. So we can say from user data, using our user model class. You know that we have user ID, second we have name, third is email, you can see that, then we have password, and then finally we have the profile picture, for which we can say image profile picture. And then after the if statement, we will call our chat listener here. As we have the from user information now, so that's why we call chat listener, since you know that here in the chat listener it depend on the from user data.uid. So anyways, that is the recent chats from the receiver. Okay, so now inside the init stat we will call our method, which is load initial data, and then as we are using the stream, so we have to add here the built-in dispose method, and inside the dispose method we are going to call our stream subscription chats dot dispose dot cancel.